Hello friends, this is Gaurav Singhvi again with a new video. I hope you all are enjoying and watching my videos on various topics which are going to be useful and which are useful for your life, for your friends, for your families, for all your contacts. And I'm thankful to all of you who are liking it, sharing it and subscribing it, and gradually we are increasing the family of subscribers on YouTube. I wish maximum people can get benefited from my videos. Earlier I have posted video on what our future offices are going to be and how will our new home designs are going to take place in the near future after the corona. This time I have thought about the people who are working from home and who have home offices, and they have to involve a lot of time into the working from home. I understand what they go through because they've been working from so many days from home, and for that I thought of making a video that how will be our future home offices will be. So I'll tell you about those things. First of all, during my entire designing years of since 1999, I've been always doing a study table in a kid's room for the study purposes. When I used to say you need to have a study area or a study room, people used to say no, we don't need it, we are earning, we don't get time, and it's like that. So normally what we used to do, just insist them to have a small desk in the bedroom below the TV cabinet, which is a common practice by all the interior designers, but and which also used to be a thing to be kept used for the things to be kept there. But now the scenario has changed, and now when you have to work for throughout the day, you need to have a separate office. So the first and foremost thing which is going to take place while designing a house will have a separate room for office, which is going to be a home office. For the reason you need a privacy. See, when you're working from home, when kids come here and there, you have a family, you have friends, anybody can come roam around, and that can distract your working time and your concentration. So first thing is the privacy. For that you need a separate room. And the separate room is going to be a small or a big, it depends on the size of a plot. It will have a good window, a big window, which through which you can see the light and nature and enjoy it. And the second thing, it will be designed at a place which is going to be away from kitchen area or the main entrance. For the reason, the most of the distracting things in the house is the refrigerator area, because you go and keep opening the refrigerator and all that. Kitchen, people move around. So the place of a home office will be away from that, and the entrance also, because you need a complete privacy and a concentrated place to work for your office. After that, in that room, if we talk about, so it will be well equipped and a soundproof. As I said, you need a privacy and a concentration. So a soundproofing will take an important role in the house. Earlier it not used to be the case. So that when you're working, you're entirely detached and cut off from the family chores. And it will be a completely technically equipped office area, which will have a very good quality internet connection and a Wi-Fi. Because now most of the time you'll be involved into the checking emails and phone calls. Earlier also you used to have so many complaints from the family members that you are always on the phone calls, you're always checking mails, you're always on the phone. But now when you're not interacting with your colleagues and office staffs and your teams or your bosses and everything, so now the frequency of mail checking and mail sending will be more. So you need to have a good connection. Then to connect with those people, you'll have a video conferencing and webinars or seminars like that. For that also it will consume a lot of data. So you'll have a very technically equipped room, which is going to be full of good Wi-Fi, and a good data usage will be there. Soundproofing, as I said, is very important. Then you'll have a separate dedicated laptop or a desktop for your offices. Earlier, your phone or your laptop or a desktop was used by your student, your children also, your wife also, and many times you used to do important data and everything. But now you'll have a dedicated space, dedicated laptop or a desktop, which you are going to use it. and you can organize your data storage and everything so that nothing can get lost, which is important in terms of your working and offices. Then you'll have a very comfortable furniture rather than just having a table and a desk, because you have to sit all day long. You'll have a very comfortable chair, a table, desk, whatever it is, with proper storages. You need all the stationery items for your offices. There's going to be a small office taken away from your office area and it is put in in your house. It is going to be like that. You'll have a small lounger or a sofa set, something like that, to relax, and a small area where you can stretch yourself during your stress times and everything. You can roam around here and there a little bit while talking on a phone and all that. So that space is going to be the important part. Then again, you'll have a proper air conditioned room, which is important. As I said, window is there, and you'll have also few plants which are going to give you a fresh air and an oxygen to work all day long. Then other than that, the room is going to be very elegant, very classy, very simplistic, and separations will be there. If the storage is concerned, you'll have a proper storage for putting up your personal files and your important office documents and everything. So these are few of the changes which are going to take place in your new home office in the near future, whenever you're making a house or getting it designed by an architect or an interior designer. So that's all for today. I hope this will serve your purpose if you're planning to have a new house, and if you have a space in your house and you have to work from the home only. So I'm sure these steps might help you and guide you for having a good new home offices. All the best. This is Gaurav Singhvi. Hope to see you again with a new video. I would request that you suggest me some points which you want from me, so that I can make videos on that and can put it on my YouTube channel, which you can get benefited from. Thank you. Thanks for liking my videos and sharing. Bye bye. Good day.